Let's be honest for a second. The scariest part of starting a digital hustle isn't the hard work, it's the price tag. You look at the pros, and they all have the fancy project management software, the expensive design suites, and the premium email tools. You look at your bank account, and you think, I can't afford to be professional yet. Now here's the truth. You do not need to spend money to make money. In fact, thinking you need expensive tools is just a procrastination tactic. Today, I'm going to help you build your entire digital hustle tech stack for $0. No free trials that expire in a week. I'm talking about powerful, almost forever free tools that will organize your life, polish your brand, and save you hours. And wait until you see tool number 2. It's an AI tool that basically clones you so you can get twice as much done. Let's get in. First up, if your business currently exists on sticky notes, random screenshots, and the back of an envelope, stop it. You can't build a skyscraper on a shaky foundation. You need Notion. Think of Notion as a box of digital Legos. You can build whatever you need. Need a to-do list? It does that. Content calendar? Easy. Client database? Done. It is the ultimate workspace for the scattered creative mind. The free plan is incredibly generous and lets you organize your entire digital life in one dashboard. But organization is only half the battle. You also need to take action. As a solopreneur, your biggest problem is that there's only one of you. You wish you could literally clone yourself to handle the busy work while you do the deep work. Enter Tascade. While Notion is fantastic for storage, Tascade is built for action. It's not just a notebook, it's your ready-made digital workforce. Type a vague goal like, launch a dog walking business. And Tascade's AI instantly generates a complete strategy, breaks it down into tasks, and sets priorities for you. But don't just list it, visualize it. With one click, transform that plan into a mind map to brainstorm, or a Kanban board to manage the workflow visually. Here is the real magic. AI agents. You aren't just planning, you're hiring. Assign the marketing agent to write your social posts, or the research agent to find competitors and market trends. It's literally like having a project manager and a creative team working for free, 24/7. Stop organizing and start deploying. The link to try Tascade is in the description below. Okay, so you've got a plan, and now you need to look the part. But if opening Photoshop feels like trying to fly a spaceship, then you need Canva. Canva is the bridge between I have zero artistic talent and wow, that looks professional. They have thousands of free templates. You don't need to understand color theory or pixel ratios. You just pick a template, change the text, and hit download, boom. You're a designer now. Now, let's talk about the biggest time killer in the digital economy. Unnecessarily long emails. How many times have you spent 20 minutes typing an email to explain a simple thing, only for the client to say, I don't get it? Loom changes the game. It records your screen and your face at the same time. Instead of typing a novel, you hit record, talk your client through the problem, and send a link. It clears up confusion instantly. The free plan allows for videos up to 5 minutes, which, honestly, is all you should need to make your point. Speaking of communication, when you do have to write, you need to make sure you don't sound like a robot or a walking thesaurus. In this space, clarity is cash. So, a tool like Hemingway Editor is a simple free website that acts like a strict English teacher. You paste your text in, and it highlights your problems. Yellow means too long. Red means confusing. It strips away the fluff and leaves you with bold, clear writing that sells. Yup, that's your tool right there. Now, here is a hard pill to swallow. One of the biggest lies we tell ourselves is, I worked all day. But did you? Or did you spend 3 hours scrolling X and 1 hour tweaking your logo? Now, Clockify is a free time tracker that gives you the cold, hard data. Even if you don't bill by the hour, you need this. It helps you spot your time leaks. You might realize that writing a blog post takes 4 hours when you thought it took one. Know your numbers. Next up, social media. Posting every single day is a grind. It breaks your focus and kills your flow. So, it's about time you stopped doing it live. Buffer allows you to batch your work. Sit down on a Monday morning, write all your posts for the week, and schedule them to go out automatically. This turns a daily stressor into a once-a-week task. That's how you do it. This last tool isn't sexy, but it's absolutely critical for your digital security. If you're still using simple passwords like password 123 for your business accounts. You are one hack away from potentially losing everything. Bitwarden is a free, open-source password manager designed to generate crazy, uncrackable passwords and remember them for you across all your devices. With Bitwarden, you only need to remember one master password, securing your entire digital life with AES 256-bit encryption and a zero-knowledge policy. It keeps your digital hustle secure, offering features like secure sharing, password health reports, and cross-platform accessibility so you can actually sleep at night. So, there you have it. A full suite of tools that rivals big agencies. Design, AI, organization, and security, all for $0. But tools are useless if they just sit in your browser bookmarks. I want you to do one thing right now. Choose the one area where you feel the most disorganized, download that tool, and set it up. Just one. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't just read about the hustle. Equip yourself for it. And oh, by the way, I've posted a link to the cheat code for these tools in the description below. Click on the link and check it for free, and I'll see you in the next video.